Welcome to our channel. If you've forgotten your Hulu password or need to reset it for security reasons, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to hulu.com on your web browser or open the Hulu app on your device. Step 2. Click or tap on Login and then select Forgot Password below the login fields. Step 3. Enter the email address associated with your Hulu account when prompted. Step 4. Check your email inbox for a password reset message from Hulu, which should arrive within a few minutes. Step 5. Click on the password reset link in the email, which will open a page where you can create a new password. Step 6. Create a strong new password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Step 7. Enter your new password twice to confirm it matches and click Reset Password or Submit. Step 8. Return to Hulu and log in with your new password to verify that the reset was successful and you can access your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.